Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to decorate for Thanksgiving with you guys. I think it'll be so much fun to bring you along, even though I've done it before. I think I've done it for the last couple of years, but it's always a little bit different and I really enjoy sharing it with you guys, so I'm gonna do it. I'm going to have a series of Thanksgiving related videos this month, and we're gonna start with decorating the house since we host Thanksgiving every year. So I like for the house to be really decorated with a lot of beautiful fall colors and just fall and autumn decor. I know a lot of people are jumping right into Christmas this year. Everyone's so anxious to get into the holiday season, but I really genuinely love the fall and I am just still embracing that decor. So I'm going with that until the end of November, and then once we get into December, probably December 1st, I'll be all full on in Christmas mood. So for now, we're getting ready for Thanksgiving. I hope that you guys will consider subscribing if you haven't done so already so that you can join in on all of the fun. So today we're going to decorate, but in my next video, we're going to plan the menu, and I'm going to share with you guys kind of how I decide what I'm going to be making, what side dishes I'm going to be having this year, and how I coordinate who's bringing what, and a little bit just about my preparation in planning the menu and finding all of the recipes and things like that. So hopefully you guys will come along, and that's it. I am going to get started with decorating because I'm really excited. I finally got all of the Halloween stuff out of the house. If you guys don't follow my channel, you can go check out my Vlogtober playlist because I share daily vlogs in October and I am really into Halloween. So there was a lot to pack away and it took me a full week to do so. And now I have 2 bins of Thanksgiving stuff, which is so easy compared to my 20 bins of Halloween stuff. So I should get it done in no time. All right, without further ado, let's get started with Thanksgiving decorating. Okay, here are my 2 little bins, so easy, and I've cleared everything out. I have a couple of things that I left out from my Halloween decor, so I had some pumpkins, and these are actually real pumpkins that I got for my Victorian tea party, which, geez, I think I might have shared that back in September. So yeah, these pumpkins are really lasting a long time. They still look great. And it looks very bare right now because all of the Halloween stuff has been put away. So everything's all cleared off and ready for some Thanksgiving decor. What I have done is I put the decorations in the appropriate rooms where I think they will go. So all of this is for this big room. And then I have in my dining room, all of these decorations I think are going to be in the dining room somewhere. This is everything for the kitchen, including all of the linens, which are clean, but I probably should wash because they've been in the basement for a year. And then I was so upset. I was wondering where this cup was, and for some reason I ended up sticking it in with my Thanksgiving decorations, so I never got to use it this Halloween. It's my Hocus Pocus coffee mug, and it's so pretty. Oh well, I'll have to go put it downstairs with my Halloween decor so I don't miss out on it next year. And I always find random Halloween decorations when I'm decorating for Thanksgiving. There's always something that goes forgotten. All right, we're gonna start in the dining room. Have any of you guys ever been to Hershey Park? I purchased this at Hershey Park such a long time ago. That's in Pennsylvania if you've never been there, and you can go through the chocolate factory and see how they make the Hershey Kisses. And I just think this guy is so cute, this little Hershey Kiss that says Autumn Greetings, and I've had him in my fall decor probably since I've been married. So I like to put this little guy out every year. both of my children work at a local bakery, and look at what my son came home with last night. Does this not look amazing? I am so hungry looking at this. I'm not even sure exactly what it is. It looks like maybe cherry cheesecake and blueberry cheesecake and brownies, and I don't know what this is, but it looks delicious, and this looks like some kind of a lemon tart. Oh, I'm so excited to dive into this. The Thanksgiving binder is where it's at, guys. Has all of my menu planning and to-do lists and receipts from the past years for groceries. All the things are in here. You can check out my video. I've made a video on my Thanksgiving binder and my holiday binders in the past, but this is my go-to every year when I start planning and preparing. Menu planning is going on. This vintage Betty Crocker book has really good recipes, and I am looking for a sweet potato casserole recipe, so we shall see what I find, but I love using old vintage books. You guys see my turkey? His wing broke off. I have to glue it back on. I just kind of placed it where it belongs, but right here, I don't know if you can see his wing. Right over here. It's broken, but they still look cute sitting here, especially with the tree behind them. Look at how pretty those yellow leaves are. Love it. This is a fiber optic scarecrow, and he has a little on-off switch on his butt. I just turned it on for you guys. I think it's so pretty. I know the fiber optic stuff is not as popular anymore as it was, say, back in, I guess, the late 90s, early 2000s is really when it was trending, but it's so relaxing to look at, and I still love all of my fiber optic decorations. Do you guys have any at home? Let me know if you do. I think I have some Christmas ones as well. This was from Avon, believe it or not, a long time ago, and I just think this scarecrow is so adorable and festive for Thanksgiving. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me today as I decorate for Thanksgiving. Again, probably sometime next week I will have my menu planning video up, so look forward to that. I think I said at the beginning of the video, my next video will be the Thanksgiving menu planning, but I mean my next like Thanksgiving series video because I know I have other content. I'm kind of trying to figure out what to post when. There's so much that I want to share with you guys right now, but there's only so much time in the day, so I always do the best I can. I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me today as I decorate for Thanksgiving. I hope you're all gearing up for a fun-filled holiday season, no matter how it is that you're celebrating this year. I know it's different, but we need to embrace it and make the most of it, more so now than ever. We really need these positive things to focus our energy on, and time with family and friends. Even if it's very small, even if it's just your family at home, you can still celebrate and enjoy the time together and prepare some good food and gear up for a great holiday season. So I hope you're all really doing well, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know if you have started to decorate for Christmas yet, because I know a lot of you have, and I'm really curious to see how many people are currently putting up their tree because we're all anxious to get into the holiday season this year. I know it. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.